So what's up? So we just got to our Airbnb. Give a little tour, guys. We already put everything already inside, but so this is the entrance. So you walk in, you get greeted with something warm. Pretty cool.
We literally made it look nasty.
Yeah, it's messy, but I mean, because we just made it messy. But honestly, it's pretty nice. And it was super cheap. 4 days, $321 with 12 cents. Says
With
into
12
the block.
cents. We haven't been vlogging in like 10 years because someone didn't charge the camera, so now we have to use a GoPro. But we're in Oregon.
I like this better.
Really?
Look. Look.
Oh, it looks way more clear, huh? And it shows like far away, so I don't need her.
Zoomed out.
Yeah, I don't have to be that light.
So, bam. Let's go. We're gonna go check out the park. Maybe hit some wine.
Do you want to go to that park or you want to go see the cherry blossom trees?
No, let's go to that one. Because that's kind of like downtown.
Okay.
Okay, well, stay tuned, guys. We'll be back.
You got everything?
Mm-hmm. So what's up? We made it. She's recording me and I'm recording her.
I'm taking a picture.
But look, this is kind of like the downtown of Vancouver. And honestly, it's way nicer than Portland. We came from Portland, but
more city vibes.
Yeah, like new city vibes. They have like a lot of new things. A lot of new development and a lot of new restaurants and shops. It's a lot better than Portland, to be honest.
I think we're gonna like Seattle then.
Probably.
This is what I feel like Seattle looks like, but I've never been, so I don't know.
Well, let's hope that it does look like that.
The water looks like going back home.
Can I ask a question to help with some reflection? Try to get in writing really what I'm feeling. Cause I've been feeling confused. Rocked in my mind are our tunes. The tunes we wrote but never done. Nothing seems to go my way. Go my way. I'ma try and fight it. I'ma try and fight it. Nothing seems to go my way. Go my way. I'ma try and fight it. I'ma try and fight it. Now I'm feeling attitude. Used to feel you in the room. Baby, I'm screwed. I'm screwed. Hurt myself so many times. Thought I knew, but that's a crime. Baby, I'm screwed.
So what's up? Say what's up. So we came to How do you pronounce that? Because I honestly can't fucking pronounce that.
I don't know how it's spelled.
It's honestly beautiful. There's a lot of people, so if you guys do end up coming here, you guys gotta make it early because we'll start finding parking. We had to like go. For real. Hello.
I'm already sweating, honestly.
Me too.
Local round. We made it to the tippity toppity top. So we're parked down there. And this is the view. Let me show you from far.
Kind of harsh.
I honestly almost gave up halfway because it's so long. Let's jump up.
What's up, guys? Let's get it.
So we bought beanies as a souvenir for ourselves, and then we also want to get what's it called? Hoodies, but we didn't find any cute ones.
Honestly, we were kind of rushed. We had like 5 minutes, and the girl was like, "We're gonna close if you need any help with anything." I'm like, "Bitch, well, obviously I'm trying to shop. What the fuck?"
Savvy mean. Obviously, they're trying to go home.
Okay, but still, 5 minutes ain't gonna kill them while they clean up. Like, you really think that's a big issue?
Well, they did give us time to look around. They were already closing the door.
We're already closing. If you guys need help finding your right pick, then this.
Okay, anyways, we're gonna go tomorrow to see if we can find hoodies for ourselves. We bought. Did you buy your mom something?
No, I need my mom's presents.
Okay. So we bought everyone a souvenir. We just need to buy his mom something. And ourselves, we want to buy some hoodies. Last time we came, we didn't buy hoodies, we bought like crew necks.
Yeah, crew necks.
We bought crew necks, and honestly, I don't really like it. The fact that it was green, it just, I
fuck with the
I
color.
don't know, I prefer a black, gray, white, I don't know.
She's the one that picked the color.
That was the best looking one there, that's why. But I didn't really like it. I wanted a hoodie, that's why. I didn't want a crew neck. But anyways, so we're gonna try to look for one tomorrow. Today we are on our way to where?
Ox Restaurant.
Last time we went to Portland,
We literally went 3 times because of how good it was.
we were only there for 3 days, and all those 3 days we ate at that same restaurant. And they ended up giving us like free glasses of wine and a free dessert. So I'm sure they're not gonna do that this time because they're gonna be like, oh, they're not gonna remember who we are. But I mean, we're still gonna go because we
That's
like.
even if they allow us in, because we don't have reservations.
That's
They didn't
true.
have any more reservations available. They were fully booked. But
Ya me dio calor, honestly.
for reals, me too. I'm kind of like.
Yeah, so we haven't been vlogging as much because the camera's been dead and we haven't charged
It's
it.
charged. It's just raining.
is?
Like, yes, it's just raining.
It was raining this morning, and so we didn't want to take out the camera.
Basically, the whole day. It just literally stopped raining right now.
Yeah, it's 6:18 p.m. and it just stopped raining, so that's why we didn't want to take the camera out. But we went to go eat at, it was like a diner or something, right?
Yeah, it was kind of.
It was good. We had chilaquiles. They had like
Chorizo
that
bacon.
natural squeezed orange juice. It was good, honestly.
We
And it was
wasn't
cheap.
gonna be good because it honestly didn't look like. It was
Appetizing.
inside a hotel, so you know when something's inside a hotel, like you know the food isn't gonna be good. But that surprised us.
We only say that because when we went to Hawaii, we went to like a restaurant that was part of a hotel, and it looked really bougie. And we went in, we had bad service.
Oh, I remember now.
You don't remember?
I forgot about that place.
Yeah, we had bad service, and then also the food was not good. You know how they give like bread and butter? That shit was fucking hard. Like, that's my favorite part of eating at a restaurant, like bread and butter. And for it to be like nasty, I don't know. It was so expensive too.
Yeah.
Like, you got like steak, I don't know, some meat. But I don't even remember what I got.
Oh, the meat was pretty good though. It was your plate that wasn't good.
I don't know. I think I just had high expectations because they looked so bougie. Like, entering and like outside of it looked so bougie, and then for it to be not good, I was so disappointed because I was hungry and I didn't even finish my food. But anyways, we're gonna head to our favorite restaurant now.
We're a minute away.
Really?
Yeah.
So this is the restaurant we've been talking about. It's called Ox. They said that, oh shit.
Sorry guys, she's a little buzz.
Their food is all fresh and they pick it out of their own garden and shit. And we were talking shit. We're like, oh, is this their own garden or what? It doesn't have a sign like Ox. Yeah.
They don't need to. Shit, they're popping. They're popping.
I don't know, but
There's
it looks.
no parking though.
I know it looks busy.
All right.
Yeah, it's all good. You know what? That's what it was.
No, yeah, I would not do that.
I feel like you took my side.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Okay, this picture.
30 years
Yeah. So we're making a video. So what's up? How you feel?
I feel like I'm gonna fall backwards.
But honestly, it's pretty cool. It reminds me of the sky space that I used to have in LA. Show you guys a view a little bit. Taking selfies.